So how we're gonna prepare this turkey today? Well, we're gonna inject it. So nothing like the oldest beer in America, the old Yingling. We're gonna be using that, and I actually already heated it up a little bit, and I poured some salt and some honey in there, and we're gonna be using this nice injector. We're gonna inject it right on the meat of the turkey. All right, so I have this probe and this little opening right there, and we're just gonna leave that there, and I'm gonna push the turkey all the way over to the side. I want to make sure it does not gonna get too hot. We want to make sure it cooks nice and even. So I'm gonna turn this way down, and we're gonna put the door back on, and we'll set the timer. 2 hours. All right, we are back. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes, and we have a temperature of 160 degrees. That's the meat temperature, and that's the inside temperature of the oven. So the temperature has gone down, but the meat has been cooked. So we're good. We're actually looking for about 165 degrees. But what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put another log of wood in there. We're gonna try to smoke the rest of the turkey with the bacon. So let's take a look. So this is our air temperature. It's already starting to go down as soon as I take it off. Oh yeah, let's take a look at that. Things are looking good. So I'm gonna put this back in. And that probe is still in there. And it's at 169, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna put the door on and let it smoke for a little bit. Do another log in there, and it's gonna smoke. Look at that beautiful bacon on there. We're gonna bring it inside, let it rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna cut into the turkey.